Guys, today I will talk about how can you edit from on your Miho map. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on additional settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on manage homes. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on manage rooms and you click here on smart home. So then here can you edit your home here. You select wallpaper here room wallpaper and here name, and here can you manually control, here can you manage it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.